Hello everyone, Grandma here. Last night for dinner I made a stir fry. So today I have some leftover rice. So for Grandpa's lunch I'm going to make a very old recipe that Grandpa and I grew up with. It's rice and milk. The ingredients to make this is 1 cup of whole milk and 3/4 cup of rice. This is a very simple and easy meal to prepare. All you need is the cup of whole milk to add to the saucepan to start heating it up. I put it on a medium heat. And you want to give this a stir so nothing sticks to the bottom. I'm using whole milk because years ago that's all we had was whole milk to drink. We didn't have skim milk or fat-free or anything. And you could also use, if you like, you could use coconut milk or almond milk or whatever milk you like to drink. You want to heat the milk now till it's nice and hot. When it gets hot, it'll be ready to put the rice in. The milk is nice and hot now, so I'll be adding the rice, the cooked rice. And now you just stir in the cooked rice. Like I said, this is a very simple and easy meal, and my grandmother and mother made this often for me growing up, and we'd have it a lot on Fridays, and we'd have it especially during Lent because this was a meatless meal. And of course, when times are hard and you don't have too much money, this is like a very inexpensive meal. Just keep stirring this when you put the rice in, because you don't want the bottom to burn, so you have to keep stirring it till the rice is mixed in good with the milk. Now it's nice and hot and ready to be put in the bowl. I'll pour it in the bowl. Okay. Grandpa is ready to have his lunch now, and as you can see, I have a sugar bowl on the table, and growing up we always had the sugar bowl on the table, and whenever we had this meal you can add as much sugar as you like. So, how's it taste, Grandpa?
Very good. Brings back memories of when my mother used to make it for me. That's many years ago. Boy, is this nice and hot. It warms you up on a cold day like today.
Glad you're enjoying your lunch, Grandpa.
Very good, Ma.